Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about query filters, advanced concepts. Watch my previous video to know about query filters. Like I have talked about basics and different options available for each objects. So these are the options I have discussed. In this video I'm going to talk about different or advanced level query filters. So usually when we add object into a query filter, it is going to make as a single condition, either and or or. Still we can do the cascading conditions, like here we have two AND operators. Like first AND operator is going to handle sales order ID and delivery date. So it is going to check the conditions. If these two conditions are satisfied, the results will be applied on the final AND operator. Still we can change the condition either AND or by clicking these operators, right? So this is also possible. I just want to show this also possible in the WebI filter. Alright, so basically these conditions will be applied on a where condition in a SQL statement, which you can see by clicking this query properties or view script. Here you can see, so from table this is our view name, and after that we have a where logic, where condition. So below where condition we have a table partner ID and delivery status, and we have another separate and for sales order ID and delivery date, which you can see sales order ID and the delivery date as separate and operator. If I change this, and it is going to affect the, so here you can see. Alright, so this is the advanced concepts that still you can make use of this for your requirement. And still if you want to modify anything, you can go to use custom query filters and you can modify this and save that as a query for your report. So it's from making use of this wizard level. Still you can make use of filters in a query level, and which you can apply into the report, right? And I just want to talk about one more thing, that is date format. So if your data type of the object is date, then you can see a date picker here. So by default it is going to show as a calendar, where you can choose particular date to filter it out. And the same thing will be applied for the end user as well. So end user will feel the functionality of date, and they can choose and they can select to filter the value. So that is also possible. So as you know, actually we have a different data types. So for number and the string, it is going to be by default just a text box and the list of values. For a date, we have a date picker, so that you need to know. So if you have a date in your report or in your query filter, then make the date column as a date data type in a database level or in a IDT level. So if you go to IDT and you can choose the column, and you still use that is in a database level itself, it is a date, then you can go with the date. And if you want to convert a string into date, then you can use the expression to convert this string into date and make the data type as date. So if this data type is date, then you can use the date picker for the query filter in a WebI